Thank you for clicking on this link. Welcome to Juice Kitchen. Today's recipe is Fruit Infused Rejuvenate Me Tea. So Rejuvenate Me Tea has 3 ingredients: turmeric, ginger and green tea. And as you all know, turmeric and ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and green tea antioxidants. And this tea, you can either take it in the night or in the morning. I prefer to take it in the morning to feel refreshed and sometimes in the night to feel calm. So green tea is something that we all want to include in our diet, but because of its taste, sometimes we avoid it, which is exactly why I had come up with this idea, Fruit Infused Rejuvenate Me Tea. So let's get started. To make this recipe, you need these ingredients: Mosambi, apple, pineapple, Rejuvenate Me Tea, and honey. Oh, and some ice. I have some hot water here, and that will be the first step. We will be infusing Rejuvenate Me Tea with water for 3 to 5 minutes. I have this glass jar here where I'm going to add all my fruits before I add the tea to it. I'll start off with some apples. Next I'll add some pineapples and some mosambi. Our infused Rejuvenate Me Tea is ready, and we're going to pour it into our jar here. Now we will add some honey. This is about 3 teaspoons of honey. We will put the lid on. Give it a little shake. We will also prepare a glass to drink the tea with some ice. Remember our glass? And that's how you can make your own Fruit Infused Rejuvenate Me Tea. If you like this video and know someone who would also enjoy this video, drop the info below and we will send them an exclusive invite.